Did you know that the way you share your content can kill your YouTube channel? Yes, if you share your content to places like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and those other platforms that are not YouTube, it's going to kill your YouTube growth. And a lot of small YouTubers are facing this challenge. A lot of small YouTubers are doing this mistake. Now, let me explain it better. If you share YouTube video link to Instagram, Facebook, and those other platforms, and someone comes from those platforms to subscribe to your channel, remember, every person have their own interest. You are interested in watching YouTube videos. Someone somewhere is interested in watching TikTok videos. Someone is interested in watching Instagram videos. Now, when you ask those people from those other platforms to subscribe to your channel, yes, they are going to subscribe because you asked them to do so. Those people, since they are interested in other platforms, every time they come on internet, they watch other platforms, but not YouTube. When they come and subscribe to your channel, they are not going to watch your videos just because they're interested in TikTok, they're interested in Facebook, they're interested in Instagram. So when you ask them to subscribe to your channel, they are going to subscribe to your channel, but they're not going to come back to watch your videos. And as we all know, the first law of YouTube recommendation, the algorithm first looks at your subscribers. If your own subscribers are watching your content, the algorithm is going to recommend your videos. But if your own subscribers don't watch your content, the algorithm will never recommend your videos. It's going to bury your videos. You'll find someone is having a lot of subscribers on their channel after promoting their channel outside YouTube. They get subscribers, a lot of them. But when they post their videos, they don't get views. They get 10 views, 20 views, 80 views, and they are not realizing the reason why they are not getting views. They'll end up complaining, Ben, what's wrong with my channel? I have subscribers, but I'm not getting views. I have subscribers, but there's no engagement on my channel. The thing is, you did a mistake. You shared your content to the wrong places and got wrong subscribers that are not watching your content. Now, they're affecting your engagement. They're affecting your recommendation. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 smart places to share your YouTube videos and get views, get subscribers that are always going to come back to watch your videos to boost your engagement. Now, the first place to promote your content and get more subscribers and views is by using Shorts. This time around, we are not going to just upload Shorts, but we are going to use Shorts to promote our content and get more subs and views. Now, let's say I want to promote this video, the first video right here. What I'll do, I'll play the video first. And after playing the video, I'll first pause it. Now, after pausing the video, I'll go under this video on these options here and scroll through to look for Shorts remixing. Now, for this video, it doesn't have Shorts remixing. Now, if you find out that your video doesn't have that option, what you do, you minimize this video and then you go back to the list of your videos and you tap on the 3 dots right here. Then you go to edit, okay? You tap on edit. After tapping on edit, you scroll down. You'll see this option, short remixing. So you just tap here and then you take the first option, allow video and audio remixing, okay? Now, after activating it, what you do, you go back and then save it, okay? Now, after activating it, you play the same video that you want to promote, the first video right here. Now, as you see, the option is now turned on. The option is now activated. So what you do next, you just tap on remix, okay? Now, what you do next, you edit into short. You take the first option right here, edit into short, okay? Now, after that, you'll see more options here to set up your short. You can make your short to be 15 seconds longer or 60 seconds longer. And if you want to make it 6 seconds longer, you drag the timeline down here and then make it 60 seconds longer. Now, after setting the length of your video, you can even set the layout, how you want your video to look like by tapping on layouts right here. After processing, the layouts will pop up. Now, you can choose any kind of layout that you want your video to look like. Okay? But for me, I like split one. So let me take split one and then continue. Now, after tapping on continue, the layout is going to be saved. And now you can add captions in case you want to add captions. Now, after processing, this is the next screen. Here you add the title of your short. Now, when you're adding the title to this short, make sure that the title of this short is the same title as the video that you remixed this short from, or the video that you made this short from, okay? After that, what you do next, you set the visibility of your short to public, And now here comes the second place to promote your content, which is related video. So we are going to use the option related video to promote another video with this same short. We are actually combining our content together to make it easy for the algorithm and our viewers. So we are going to add a related video to this short. So just tap on related video right here, and it's going to take you to your videos. For this case, I'll choose this particular video right here. Now, after choosing the video, you scroll down to altered content right here. If you use AI to create your videos, you tap yes. But for my case, I don't use AI to create my videos, so I'll tap on no right here and go back. Now, after that, you can now upload your short. Now, my short is uploading. Let's wait for it. Now, as you see, my short is done uploading. And when I tap on this short, it's going to play. Now, when this short is playing, when you look down under my channel name, you'll see created from Ben Did It. Now, if this is a viewer watching this short and they tap on this link right here, my long form video that I actually promoted using that short is going to play, as you see right here. I just clicked from my short and the long form video is playing right now, meaning this actually works. And now, the most important part about this strategy is that whoever subscribes to your channel through this, they are going to watch your videos, because after subscribing to your channel through this short, they are more likely to like your long form videos, because this short is made from your long form videos. This short looks the same as your long form videos. So whoever subscribes from this short, they are more likely to watch your long form videos. And by this, you will not have a divided audience. The third place to promote your content, it is YouTube comments. Now, some creators actually try to use this method, though some do it in a wrong way. Now, if you create content about cooking, don't come to my channel, me who creates content about YouTube teachings, and then expect that you're going to get subscribers from my audience. Remember, even if you get subscribers from my audience, the subscribers from my audience are not interested in cooking stuff. They are not going to watch your content. Now, what you have to do is to go to channels that are making content about cooking and then promote your channel under their comments. And when you're commenting, do not spam comment. Do not share links. Just do it in a gentle way. And you're going to see people subscribing to your channel. You're going to see the right people watching your videos, and they are going to always come back to watch your videos again and again. By using this method, you're going to get the right subscribers that will always come back to watch your videos. And when they come back to watch your videos, YouTube is going to keep on recommending your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If your problem is getting watch hours, watch this video. I explain on how I got over 3,600 watch hours in a period of just 7 hours. I'm talking about this video because I know this video is helpful. It helped me to monetize very, very fast. I got over 3,600 watch hours in a period of just 7 hours. So check out this video. It's going to help you. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.